everyone! Hey everyone, it's Redneck Ann here, Miss Ann here. So, I got a blizzard from Dairy Queen. Period. Period. Oh my god. If I start my period, I got a sweet tooth. I'm about to start my period. Which, I'm going to start my period at my dad's. I'm assuming my dad's house. Because I'm going to be with my dad this weekend. My parents are divorced. So, I'm seeing my dad every other weekend. Till I hit elderhood. Till he dies of old age. Because until my dad dies of old age, I'm going to see my dad every other weekend till I'm at least 70. And he might have to move into a nursing home by the time I'm 60-something years old. He might have to move into a nursing home by the time I'm 60. I'm 60-something years old. I'll see my dad every other weekend until I'm 65, till I hit elderhood. So I got a Brownie batter, blizzard from Dairy Queen, because I'm about to start my period. And I'm assuming, hopefully my dad will get me some pads, because I need them this weekend, because I'm about to start my period. So, got some. Cheers. Oh. Cheers. I most definitely like this blizzard. I'm hoping my dad, and if I start my period at my dad's this weekend, I'll just tell my dad that I started my period, I'm bleeding and cramping, without making my dad feel uncomfortable. Because I'm going to say that, Dad, I'm going to tell him if I start my period, Dad, I need to tell you this without making you feel uncomfortable. And I'll be telling him, I started my period, I'm bleeding, and I'm heavy, and that happens at my dad's. I'm going to be telling my dad, because I have a good dad. I'm about to start my period. So, period, 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 period. Oh, man. I'm about to start my period. I need to get drunk on chocolate. I feel like I need to get drunk from chocolate. I'm going to get drunk on chocolate. On chocolates. Because I'm about to start my period. See you in the next vlog. I will get chocolate drunk.